Did you know deferred maintenance creates multi-line insurance risks that are hidden in plain sight? Technology now lets carriers connect directly with maintenance teams to stop claims before they happen. Today's carriers are building platforms that connect loss control insights directly into maintenance operations. The result? Real-time risk mitigation, stronger policyholder partnerships, and smarter underwriting. Want to explore how this works for your agency? Book a no-pressure 20-minute clarity call here.